Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to import CSV files in MongoDB database. So at here this is the file emp file that I'm going to import inside MongoDB database. So at here go to details. So at here you can find a .csv, that means the emp is the CSV file. Now here after first we need to open command prompt. So there are two ways you can import the files. First is at a command based and next by GUI. So first I'm going to discuss about or to import to CSV file by using command prompt. So I need one more. So here the first thing is, so at here I'm going to write Mongo. So it's rightly connected from the Mongo. Now here after the next thing is, let's go to at this point at your program files, and here you can find Mongo. uh, okay, so there you can find Mongo folder, hereafter server, hereafter bin. So this location I'm going to copy here. So let's give at your cd and here paste. If I press enter, so at here directly change. Now the next thing is, so this file I'm going to copy. So this file I'm going to copy first in this location. Now here after I'm going to paste inside C drive. Now here after the next thing is, so let's write the command to import to CSV file inside MongoDB. So idea we need to write Mongo here after import. Mongo import now minus minus here db. So db name. So at here we need, I'm going to show you the db that I'm going to use. So at here let's write so dbase. So at here different kind of dbs are there. So at here I'm going to use Adam. So Adam database going to use, and inside Adam database, so at here first let's use Adam. So search now here after, so add here collection. So collections. Okay. So add here next. So inside Adam database collection, different collection are there. So first part is add here DB part. Next add here minus minus collection, and here give the collection name. So the collection name add here or dw underscore dev. So dw underscore dev is the collection name. dw underscore dev is the collection name. Now here after the file tab we should give. So file tab is the CSV. So CSV is the file tab. Now the next is minus minus and here file. So the file inside C drive. So go to C drive and here this is the file emp. So going to copy and here going to paste. So with after space paste there, and here the file name emp. Now here after minus minus header line. So this is the query to import any CSV file inside MongoDB. Let's press enter. So at your field C or EMP, okay, I did one mistake. So at here I forget to give the extension. So at here we need to write CSV. Now press enter. So see at here connection connected to local host and here important 11 documents. So if you check at here the document, so this is the document here. Total numbers of at here rows are this all. So if you count from here, this is the total numbers of rows. So 11, so that here it's displaying 11 or not here. At here it's displaying localhost connected to localhost and imported 11 documents. So at here inside MongoDB we are saying our documents, but in SQL we are saying our tables. So 11 sorry or rows. So 11 rows that is imported. Now the next is I connected on at here. So use DBs at hereafter use Adam. So Adam database here connected and here this all are connection. Now the next is going to write. So if I write at here DB dot. So next is at here collection name. So collection name I used at here DW. So dw underscore dev is my collection name. Now hereafter if I write at here find, okay, we need to write at here in a small. So find, if I press enter, so see at here. So at here this is the value, it's displaying ID. So ID 10 here department accounting manager 205 location ID 1700. And here this is the department ID 17 and here public relation manager it's a output it's a displaying. Now the next is at here the next thing, or you can write at here find dot pretty. So pretty and comma here after see the this format here by using find, so this output displaying this format and here this format, or you can write or if you write at here pretty, so the output it's displaying this format. Department ID name and here manager ID location ID department ID name and here manager ID location ID it's the display. So this is the first way to import any CSV file inside MongoDB. Now the next way you can use at here NoSQL Booster for MongoDB. So by using this we can also import any CSV files inside MongoDB. So at here by using this we can achieve the output by using or graphically. So at here or you can find somewhere import. So first it's a selected database at here Adam. So Adam going to select and hereafter this is a localhost, it's a fine. Now hereafter click on import. So here you can find Mongo utility. So at here this is for CSV and here JSON. So clicking this, now hereafter Adam and hereafter collect. So inside Adam you find a different collection. So already I used to add here did underscore dw. Now hereafter inside student there is nothing. So going to use a student collection. Now hereafter you can in CSV TSV ignore fields if not specified. So I just check this. Now hereafter click on import. So Mongo import file cannot be empty. Okay, one more thing, we need to give the location. So at here going to select the location inside desktop. So at here the location inside desktop there is a file emp file. So this is the CSV. Now hereafter click on import again. So do you want to first row? Okay, yes. Hereafter, so this is initializing. Now here it's all on importing. So total important 11 documents imported. Now hereafter go to Adam. Now here after students, so see at here previously it was 0. Now here it's a displaying 11. Now here after you can show query builder or you can write at here run SQL query. Now here after execute select it's already selected. So at here it's displaying the output. So first is 80 and here says and here after or 70 and here this all values. Now here after this is for 110. So total I think if you count so it's a total 11. So here this is the first, second, third, 11. So at here the one thing is when I was use at here cmd command and by applying this it only load I think two rows, but if I used at here graphically so it's load 11. So for best practice if you are going to import the values at here or if you are going to import to write values, so you should use the import any files by using at here graphically you can use no SQL booster or any other ID. So here you can check the things here. So see at here this the values inside there, and I also use the same thing. So if I go at here or ctram and here the same output, sorry same contents. But if I used at here or CSV, so it only load the two rows. And here by using all this NoSQL booster ID, so it's giving correct output. So it's load correct rows. So these are two things here. So we can import to any CSV files by two ways. So first is graphically or next is command based. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.